Hey guys, it's Bree. I am currently in my dorm at FIT, and I know you guys have seen all my videos regarding my move-in day to FIT, a weekend in my life for New York City, my dorm tour, and I have been in school and summer has been over for a while now. But I did want to upload this video because I thought it would be fun for you guys to see what I did this summer. I was abroad and I played soccer and I just went to a couple different places and I threw it all together in one big video for you guys. So I really hope you like it and let's check it out. Vlog. I just bought this neck pillow because Nev inspired me. Nev, say hi. Ready to go! Guys, we just landed. I'm tired. We're in London. And excited. I haven't slept. Say hello, Phrase.
Hello, Phrase.
I took the dub. Take that, French girls. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below if you want to see more montage-y videos like this and stuff with me not talking as much maybe and just kind of filming my surroundings. But subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my next video on Friday at 1:01 p.m. on youtube.com/the101andonly. And until next time, I will see you guys on my Instagram. Bye! So it is, and it's the new trend.
Rainbow laces, not necessarily a trend. The Premier League every year does a week where it's called, I don't know what's it actually, but everyone, what's it called? Right, there you go. And everyone in the Premier League wears rainbow laces, and they also have a rainbow captain's armband, which they wear as well.
So we all need to get them. Nice.
There you go.
Go get them.
Thanks, Harry. Thanks, Mike.